Okay, we're live. This is a Temu.com unboxing video. And if you don't know what Temu is, it's a Chinese company that sells decent quality stuff for cheap. So I ordered a bunch of stuff here. Let's see what we got. The first thing, see, and a lot of times you order things and you don't even remember what you ordered. Like, I have no idea what this is. So, okay, so it's a 9-piece pin punch set for AR. Seems to be decent quality. Again, I won't know until I use it. Okay, there's one. The next item up is, use a lot of plastic. Okay, we got doggy duty bags, and there's a bunch of them here. Oh, the first one was $8.47 I paid for it, and let me see if I can find the duty bags, doggy duty bags. They don't seem cheap quality. I'm glad I got them. Okay, so this was $2.98, and it's supposed to be a plastic bone thing in it. And it came with 5, so that's not bad. I needed one. This looks like it'll work. $2.98, you can't go wrong. The next item is looks like a tourniquet. I'm not going to open it, but the tourniquet was $4.47. I'll open it. Why not? Excuse me for my dirty nails. Looks like a tourniquet. Okay, so it's $4.47. Oh, this is a shotgun shell. It's supposed to hold 50 shotgun shells. Looks like it would. Let me grab a shotgun shell and see if it fits. So I got some shotgun shells. These are Fuyoki, 9 pellet buckshot. And let's see if these go in. Yeah, not bad. And so now I have 50 rounds that I can take with me if I need it. Go hunting or self-defense situation. So yeah, we could fit 50 on it, and this goes around your neck. Not bad. And that was $6.48. I'll put it down here. Okay, the next item up is, see what we got here. Okay, so it's a waterproof pad for $4.49. It feels plasticky, graph paper, not bad. So supposedly it's waterproof, but $4.49, you can't go wrong. Okay, up next is we have a memory card. I don't know if I'm going to trust this, but the memory card's here. It's supposed to be micro drive, and this was, doesn't say, 128 gigabytes. Hope it works. I hope it doesn't kill my computer. Be nice to, oh, I'll test it out on a phone. So, and that was $4.99. Okay, up next is another tourniquet. So I have 2 tourniquets. Up next, and again they're about $4.47. And this is October. I don't know why I keep buying the same thing, but I also got another one of these. I don't know if they made the mistake or I made the mistake. Okay, so I got duplicate tourniquets, duplicate stuff. And, oh, it says These are kind of cool. So this is, these aren't bullets. Getting messy up here. I can open this. These are pens, and I bought 10 of them, I think. I was going to give them out to people at my gun club, see if they wanted them, but you basically just pull the cap off, and you got a pen. It's nice. And these cost, it says $2.69 for 5 of them, so, you know, they're pretty cheap. Makes a nice gift for a gun owner. As you can see, I like gun products. I've just been buying a bunch of things. Temu, they have a lot of stuff. Not sure what this was, but looked interesting. Oh, it's a little knife. Oh, doesn't. That's kind of sucky. I thought it would go in. Okay, that's poorly designed. How are you supposed to use this? I guess like that. You would hope it would screw in, but it doesn't. But anyway, ow. At least you always have a very sharp object with you. Okay, and that was $1.48. It's nice. It's a good quality. And I guess you could put this, looks like it has a little hole there. You could put it on the keychain. Okay, so see what else we got. It's always fun ordering stuff. I'm going to say this was about $80 in total. And up next we have another tourniquet. I think I ordered 3 of them. Very popular. Up next, I don't know what it is. Oh, I know what it is. It's I think, it's something. Oh, it's a head clamp, so I can put my phone. This must come out. And this goes on your head, and you can put this on and take video from the head instead of the side view, which I have done. I'm gonna have this. So this is nice, and this cost me $4.93, and we're coming to the end. I don't know why I keep getting more of these. So maybe I bought 20. Did I buy 20? Oh, it looks like I bought 40 of them. So they're $2.69 each. So I have a lot of gifts I can give out to people. Here's another one. And he's also thinking of maybe getting a table at a gun show, and you know, maybe you pay like $50. So if I spend $1 and sell it for $5, I could make some money. Not sure why I bought this thing, but it looks like some sort of clamp for a gun. And that cost me. That's one thing that's kind of funny. You get stuff and you don't even wonder why you bought it. It's kind of addictive, Temu. Well, it was $1.98, and it's a quick release swivel strap. And one of the things that a lot of Temu stuff doesn't come with any directions. Okay, so let's see what else is here. I don't know if that's it. Oh, there's something else. And the packaging is not great. I think they sent me 5 of these. But I got a lot of these bullet pens. Yeah, look at that, rip. That's a one thing about Temu. The packaging can be crappy. You don't want to mail it to somebody. You want to get it home first and then repackage it. Okay, I got one last thing in here. And I think this is a meteorite. Another thing about Temu, a lot of stuff is much smaller than you would expect. So I highly recommend you look at the measurements and like lay something out with a ruler and see how big it's really going to be. So I'm pretty sure this is a meteorite. Doesn't feel heavy. It's a freaking rock. Oh, maybe it is heavy. It's kind of heavy. I should weigh it. And let's see if it sticks to a magnet. I got a magnet right here. Let's see. It's no. It's a scam meteorite, not a meteorite at all. Just a stone that they painted maybe. Nope. There might be a little steel in there. It's hard to tell. But anyway, this was, out of all the things, this is probably the worst thing I got, but it cost me, it's called a raw iron meteorite. Nickel iron meteorite crystal, and it was $3.48, so that was kind of a ripoff. Okay, I have a few more things from another purchase. I'll bring them up and just take a quick look at them. Okay, the next thing I got is one of these calipers, and it's pretty cool. It actually works, seems to work pretty well. You have a bunch of units. It has a digital measurement. You can measure things. A 12.4 millimeter finger. I like it. You can measure bullets and see how, like a 5.56 is really 5.5, well, it'll say 5.7 millimeters. So I like this. I think this you could put into something to see how deep something goes. If it's like something like this, you can see this is 54.8, something like that. Anyway, it's a cool little thing. I don't know what I paid for it, but it wasn't expensive at all, probably under $5. I just got this saw. It's much bigger than I thought it would be. I wanted a kind of a camping saw. And again, they don't give you very good instructions how to use it. It seems a little cheap. There's a button up here that's supposed to allow you to open it. There it goes. And locked in. But I guess it's a relatively sharp. And it's a handsaw, so you can put that in a backpack. It's a little big, bigger than I thought. I can't measure it with that because, but anyway, so this is something I bought. I'm going to say I spent $10 maybe. I'll tell you what I spent. It was $9.48. Okay, so let's put this away. Got to watch it because when you close it, you get your fingers stuck in there. Got to try it out and see if it works. Okay, so we'll put this down here. And then the final thing I got was this laser. For a gun. And, you know, it's probably a piece of garbage, but we'll see. I'll try it out and I'll have to update what it is. So it is, looks like a laser. It's not working. I guess I got to put the batteries in, but it's pretty big. It's supposed to come with I thought it was come with a Picatinny rail. Maybe that's in here. Oh, here is the battery. Okay, we'll give it a shot. We'll see what we can do with it. Okay, we've got some sort of contraption. So maybe you could put it on any kind of gun. For some reason I thought it would have a Picatinny rail. It's a little disappointing. But it seems it has nice, looks nice. Let's see if I can put it on. No instructions as usual. So nothing at all. Okay, so this is the push button version. I could probably buy some kind of railing to put. Unless it's coming on, no. Unless I put the battery in backwards. Nothing, no documentation. Okay, let's try it the other way. Try it this way. Oh, yeah, that got it. Okay, here it comes. Green laser. Okay, so it's pretty cool. Okay, so somehow I'm going to have to figure out how to get this on my gun. This is a pressure switch. Some sort of hex key it came with. So the pressure switch you could put on, and then you can just squeeze it so it'll turn on the gun. I kind of like them. They're hard to use a little bit, and again, no instructions is typical. Another hex key. Oh, it does have a okay, so it does have a Picatinny rail, and it looks like the laser goes in here. Okay, let me put it on. Let me put it on a gun, and I'll show you. It actually has, it looks like a rechargeable battery holder. So it looks like I could recharge it, put the battery in here somehow. Again, no instructions, but I'll try and figure out. Here was something else I got at Temu. So this is for a Samsung TV, and the one I had broke, and this must have been $3. I thought I was gonna have to pay $50. This is probably the best buy I had on Temu. And let me get out a rifle. Or a shotgun, actually. Okay, so I have a break open shotgun here, which I'm now, if you can see it, let me see if I can open it. Can't open it all the way, but this is it. I spent like $100 on this. This lock has a lock on it, so can't open it right now. And let's see if we can get this on here. And just to show you, it's empty now. I emptied it. I'm gonna put the lock. Okay, so the shotgun's there, and we're gonna get the piece on it. Okay, there it is. And if I put the, it does seem to be working. I'm going to tag you now. So there it is. Sorry about that. And it seems to have some adjustments. It don't seem to be working. But anyway, so I'm going to play with it and get it to work. So that's my Temu haul. And hope you liked it. If you did, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.